Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your AirPod battery life, or for some reason, the battery life on your AirPods just aren't working out too well. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is monitoring how much your AirPods case and the AirPods themselves are actually charging up to. So, what you can do here is you can make your way over to your iPhone or Android that are connected to it. And if you have the ability of seeing what your battery percentage is, you want to make sure your AirPods are fully charging up, to as full as it can with your AirPods case. If you notice your AirPods themselves are not charging up at all or they're not charging up properly, well then that's probably the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure they're charging up as much as you can. But another thing is checking the battery health of your AirPods. If your battery health on your AirPods have gone down significantly, well then that probably means you may have to go ahead and pick up a new set of AirPods for the most part. Now there is a way to go ahead and check your battery health with your AirPods. I'm not really too sure where that is anymore. But essentially, if your batteries have degraded a ton on your AirPods, that's pretty much the fastest way to go ahead and fix it. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is taking your AirPods out of the case like this, looking inside of the specific AirPod portion right here, and making sure there's not a lot of dust and stuff stuck in these holes. A lot of the times when that stuff kind of happens, your AirPods may not have a significant charge at the bottom of your case. You can also go ahead and make sure there's nothing at the bottom of your AirPods, like there's no like dust or anything stuck, underneath it too. And as long as they're getting a good like kind of clicking fit on your AirPods case, well, that's probably all you need to do for the most part, and you will probably be in a good situation for the most part there too. Now, for some reason, that doesn't end up working. Another thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is actually going through, closing your case, and charging up your case again. That may end up fixing it. There may also be an update available for your AirPods, and you can go there by going into your iPhone or I think Androids as well, going into your general software update and just updating your iPhone. If there's an update available, your iPhone will go ahead and pretty much update your AirPods automatically. And that's another thing you can do as well. So that kind of covers it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.